Want to show you guys a couple things I do for these beds. Uh, First, you got this all sloppy, and then when you go to tighten it up and stuff, it twists. So I take and put a nut on here. And tighten it up just a little bit. Doesn't have to be super tight. Come on. There. And now it doesn't move. So you have to line these up to the holes in the bed so it slides easy. And what I do is I don't tighten it all the way, so I can back them up a little bit. Then the other thing I do is with the heavier springs, put a little washer on there that adds extra friction to the underside on top of the wheel. That adds extra friction so it doesn't come unspun. Holds the adjustment better and longer.